To make your project more interactive, for training courses or instructions for example, you have the opportunity of including buttons with selection options. On the left side you will find the project resources and the interfaces, where the buttons are arranged. A standard button is available right from the start. If you would like to upload further buttons, for example in a different design, click on the plus symbol, then on Interface and afterwards on Button. Now you can drag and drop the button into your sequence. If you then select the button in the sequence, you can make further settings on the right-hand side. Delete the parental element first. You can define the size and position of your button in the settings on the right or do it manually with your mouse. You can also determine the entire typography, such as the font color and size, the line spacing and much more. Furthermore, you can insert the desired text on the right side. To do this, search for the ID you have assigned in the field provided. If you want to have another button with a different content and design, you can again drag and drop your already created button into your sequence and define it on the right side. Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.